So, very welcome to all my viewers. Just type in your YouTube Tutorasrumale and you will get my channel Tutorasrumale. Tutorasrumale. This is my channel which is dedicated to all technological science. And right now I am going for creating something which is for data science and big data analytics exercises using Python and other languages which can be used for data science. Okay. So let's welcome. So today we are going to see how and from where to get the data sets for the these our Python or data science exercises. So let's check for this. So there are few sites. I'm just going to give this data.go.in. To go to this site data.go.in, which is an Indian government site for data sets and everything, you will get different type of data.go.in, different data sets, okay, economic related to different things. So you just have to, for example, if I want go for this environment, no data sets found, it's saying real time resources catalog, and likewise you can go otherwise district wise monthly average in Haryana. Okay, so we can have data sets from here, and we can even go for the data set. Okay, we can go for the data set. When you click these data sets, we get this data, and you can just download these data sets in different formats: comma separated value, CSV, XML, JSON, XLS, and ODS, whichever format you prefer. We generally prefer, I myself prefer the CSV format most of the time to conduct different type of exercises. So you just say file type. You can simply download this, okay, and it asking you for, I'm saying here, purpose is academia, purely academia purpose, and you have to enter your email address here, and then you have to enter this captcha. So obviously I'm entering my email address. Entered email address, and then I'm entering this captcha N6RFC and Y. Okay, see download. Okay, I just forgotten to enter my name and okay. So use of type is non-commercial. We are going academics. We have to enter the name. And also have to enter the mobile number, something there. So we have to click on this download, and you can get the data set for download. Okay, so when you get this data set for downloading, generally you need to create a folder. So in documents, I created this folder datasets where I am just downloading this datasets. Okay, so in the same way you can have a folder datasets in your machine, and there you can get the all the data. So if you want this dataset from any other health, for example, I want healthcare. Okay, you just go a healthcare search. Okay, it go, and it is a little bit slow here. So you will get all these data sets related with the healthcare sector, everything, and likewise. These data sets then can be used for different what you can say purpose. Means are doing different type of exercises on the data set, and these exercises may be of machine learning, this may be of your data analytics, this may be of other things like data visualization, something. Okay, even the government is also having certain things, so you can see here domain sectors and likewise. So if you plus down, you get the census, survey, agriculture, all these domains and everything. So the first source for collecting the data sets is data.go.in. Now all the data analytics people, they know this Kaggle. Okay, uh, spelling is there, kaggle.com, machine learning data science community. If you go to this machine learning data science community, kaggle.com, this is most important source for having the different type of data sets. Generally what happens in universities when you are having the different data sets, okay, given in the exercises, those data sets are fixed, and it become quite difficult for instructor to give the complete what you can say exposure to the student regarding how to do these data operations, because many times the students simply try to copy, and once the program is created, code is created, you can simply, so here you are having this Kaggle, there are certain data analytics competitions, data sets are there, models are there, code is there. Kaggle is the complete suite to learn these things. So here you can download the different type of data sets. Okay, benchmark, trending data sets, and universities and colleges, and likewise. Now let's say suppose I want the data sets from the data visualization. Okay, just go on this data visualization. Okay, and I get a student habits versus academic performance. This is one data set that is again heart attack data set. Let's consider this heart attack data set we require. So you just click on this, yeah, and when you click on this heart attack data sets, you can have the data set for the download. So you can simply download this data set as a zip file. So you can download the data set as a zip file. So obviously you require to sign in into this Kaggle. Right now I am not going to sign in into the Kaggle, but this is from where you can get the data set. Another thing is that you can search on the net for public domain data sets. Public domain data sets. So when you go for the public domain data sets, and Tableau is also having the public domain data sets for the analysis, you can go to the Tableau. Okay, so here you will get the public domain free public data sets which can be downloaded for that different data operations. 19 say data visualization, it can be useful in creating your research papers and so many other things. So if you go to Kaggle, you can download all these things. Okay, so free health data set is there, free social impact data set is there, and all these things. Let's say if you want to have these data sets, you can go for this. And for example, I want to know these different data sets, obviously. So I just want to get the data set of tuberculosis burden by country. Now obviously this is for US data set. So if you click on this tuberculosis, you can have this brand, and I'm saying it in a data set. Thanks to the Tableau, they won't ask you for this signing in, it's a completely public domain. Now, and apart from this, you can go to the GitHub where you can have say this awesome data, awesome the public data sets. This is a collection done by someone who is on the GitHub, and they have given this awesome public data set. So they have these data sets like neuroscience, physics, social networks, agriculture, biology, and everything now given in this page. And if we open this folder data set, so you'll have this Titanic CSV and likewise. So you can go here and you can download the data sets of your like. There are another there is an open government data OGD platform in India, that is data.go.in. We have just in the same way you can have the public data sources. I say data.gov is there. This is USA data sets, US government data sets which they made public, and you can have the data sets on Google and likewise. So the basic here, the intention to give create this video is to suggest student to go through these different websites to download the different data sets and then perform the practicals on those data sets. Just not that is because given in a list, that is a hard.csv. So all the students are working on hard.csv. They never come to know how to prepare with other data sets. Okay, so it's always be better to have these data sets differently. Actually, universities or colleges must have to give this title for the practical performance as a generic. That is, student have to perform these operations on a data set downloaded from particular website, not the particular data set, but data set downloaded from these different websites, from the different thing. In that case, every student will have the different data set, and every student will do the different type of analysis, because not all data sets require the similar analysis and something, and so we'll get the more exposure to the data science. Really thank you to all of you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like it, comment it, share it, and revisit the channel every time, and we will see the other experiments in the next videos. Thank you very much.